संघटित खर विरोधक असल्यारच बदल घडपाक शकतात. मात दुर्दैवान काँग्रेस खऱ्या अर्थान कांयच करिना म्हण ॲडव्होकेट राधाराव ग्रेशियस उलयला. तशेंच तांणी गिरीश चोडणकराच्या नेमणुकेचेर प्रस्नचिन्ह उप्रासयला. तशेंच काँग्रेस कार्यकर्त्यांक पक्षात रेस्पेद उरिल्लो ना म्हण तांणी आरोप केला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Now what happens is, if a Congress MP close to Rahul Gandhi writes such a complaint to the Congress president, it has to be acted upon. When written allegations are made against Girish Chodankar, is it not a duty of the Congress at least to keep him aside instead of making him president of the Goa unit? Now what this lady MP from Tamil Nadu says is what everybody in Goa says, that there is manipulation, that there is sale of tickets. And otherwise, how do the people sort it, correct it? See, I am not a congressman, but during the last parliamentary elections, I and many of the other anti-Congress people, we worked tirelessly for victory of the Congress. And we worked because we felt that Captain Viriyathu was a good candidate. And that's why he was elected. Even this time, as a person, I feel that it is time for the Congress to be boosted. They have been in power for 15 years. They'll be in power for 15 years soon. Now, I think there's need for change, but a change can come only if there is an organized, strong opposition. Unfortunately, the Congress, which should have actually been in the forefront, is not doing anything. How they can appoint a man like Girish with such severe allegations from the party MP as their president, and if that is permitted, I am pretty sure next elections come, same process will be repeated and similar candidates will be selected. I already have information that already the seat of Santa Cruz, of Mandre, of Sioli has been negotiated and almost finalized. Terms have been finalized, the terms of who the candidate would be and what he will pay to the party. This sort of thing cannot be permitted. The same thing I am told is now going on in Vasco and Mormugam. More negotiations. No, the Congress workers, I have no respect in the party. They are negotiating with outsiders to give them ticket who are not even members of the party. The same thing is likely to happen in Varna, in Nuve constituency. Another former OSD to a BJP minister is likely to pay and get a ticket. What sort of Congress party this is, I do not know. So I would request the Congress workers in Goa to revolt against such practices in the interest of their own party. That's all. Not BJP, I don't know. I don't think BJP has much scope.
BJP gello to.
No, he is the OSD of a BJP minister, well known, who is seeking to buy a Congress ticket.
So, yeah, for ticket we can get election.
I am saying, you have sent a president here against whom their own party MP has made allegations that tickets have been misallocated in Tamil Nadu. This is what all Goans are saying with respect to Girish Chodankar. Now, whether they are taking money, they don't do it in my presence. All this is done underhand. But there is public perception that money is exchanged. And this public perception must be dissipated.